Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, on this video, I'm gonna paint these guys up, but I'm gonna try and do it pretty fast, do as fast as I can. You know, I'm gonna hit the skin. I'm gonna do a whole dark theme, and I'm gonna try and give these swords a little bit of OSL. Like I said, I'm gonna try. So, I'm gonna try and get these guys as well. Get these guys painted up the same glow here, glow here. So, let's get to it. Hey there. Got some sneaking up back in there. Not that anybody is ever gonna see this stuff back here. But you know what? There it is. This bow guy's pretty cool. Alright. Man, I'm having issues with my wet palette tonight. I don't know what's going on there. I think I fixed that problem there. There we go. Alright. Had to eat too much water in my wet palette there. Got a little paint these bones up. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Just kind of paint it pretty simple. Don't have to get a hair right there. What the heck? There it is. Alright. I forgot what I was even saying. Anyway. Oh, don't have to paint these bones up. You don't have to be too careful about what you hit. You can go over anything right now. But, this stuff's real simple. These are cool little models. I found these for free on, I don't know, I can't remember what it was. What was it? Sorry guys, I know I go off camera sometimes there. It's kind of learning how to paint behind these cameras is something else. Can't get in your usual paint position where it's comfortable. It's pretty much done. Simple stuff. Keep it simple. You gotta remember something. When you play with these models, you look at them like what? 3 feet away, 2 feet away. I mean, you don't see all the details. Of course, some of these guys paint this stuff up, and man, it is just they are fantastic at what they do. Actually, with this red, I'm using some of the technical contrast medium. Just spin it down a little bit. Yeah. What's up? Boom. Made it to this stage in about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. Throw that bone on there. Threw that red, what I use? Use the Blood Angel on there. Works real quick. What we'll probably do next is we'll highlight the red and we'll highlight the bones. We'll darken it maybe with a wash and then do it. We'll kind of finish that, kind of each section, and then we'll move on to the armor. Going with a little Evil Sunz Scarlet. Citadel. Gonna do some Red Scarlet Sunz, Evil Sunz Scarlet highlight on here. Just on the edges. Make that red pop. Wasn't expecting to use this, but I think I'm gonna use this on the tips of the red to give it a little more vibrancy. Huh. Let's see if it works. Color ivory. Alright, ivory highlight. So the last highlight before I do kind of like I'll do a wash, kind of darken it down a little bit, and then maybe go over it again with ivory. Go ahead. That looks pretty good. Alright, real quick. Simple. Quick, simple. Alright, a little bit of Agrax Earthshade on the bones, real quick. Doing some ivory highlights on the bone. That should make it really pop after you do the shade over the top. Use a little bit of a skeleton horde contrast. Gonna do skeleton horde on the skirts here. On these leather straps, I should say. All right. I'm gonna go with a little bright bronze here, Game Air Vallejo. I'm gonna do these buckles here. Might even do a little bit of the sword, maybe that little lion right there. Those buckles right here. Let's put it. Don't be too particular. Still want to get on that brown, really. Figure this guy looks more like a captain or commander of some sort, so I'll give him some little bit of bling here. Do some highlights on the leather straps with some leather brown. Alright, gunmetal gray. Got on these parts. Leave the sword alone, get the outer shield, helmet. That's about it. I'll do that on all three. Alright, let's do this. Just getting these metal parts here. Alright, we're gonna do some rubber from Secret Weapon on the sock things there, the handles on the shield there. So that's about it. Alright. Let's get to it. quick wash on a couple of the silver work there, and we'll probably move on to the airbrushing of the OSL on the swords and the bow. And yeah, right there, we'll do it on the sword there. We'll also do it on the tip of the bow probably, and then the sword.
Young Diggs on a beat.